Kasi napansin kita ma'am, ang ganda mo kasi ma'am eh.
Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala. Tuwing lumalapit ka, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Bawat lakad mo, lahat sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin?
Ay ma'am, ganda nyo naman ma'am. May hinintay kayo ma'am? May hinintay kayo? Okay lang naman kantahan ko kayo ma'am para mas okay ba? Unji ba kayo ba? Oo. Kulang dito mo po ma'am. Ganda nyo naman ma'am. Oo, para ako nakakita ng anghel ba?
Magandang dilag,
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
puso ko'y nagbibirik.
At saka ma'am, may bibigay pala ako sa inyo ma'am, dalawa ma'am. Kung okay ba lang sa iyo to? Yun ma'am. Ito sa isa ma'am. Yan.
Thank you.
Yan, salamat.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa'yo?
Wait a minute.
Kantahan ko kayo mama. Para ano ba? Wala bang magagalit ma'am? Yung mga jowa niyo ma'am? Mga boyfriend niyo, ganyan. Nakantahan ko kayo ma'am. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged, so realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, the darkness inside you can make me feel so small.
Hey, hold on. Reload the tape.
Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when I lost you laughing. This world make you crazy, and you think you can bear. Just call me up, 'cause I will always be there.
Sana all.
And I see you through colors shining through. I see you through colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show
Natutulog ako, nagising ako sa mga radyo.
you true colors. True colors are beautiful, and I see you true colors shining through. I see you true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid
Thought it was really good.
to let them show you true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. Yun na po yun, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Yan. Thank you. Alis ako, mama.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa'yo? And I see your true colors shining through.
Ang pogi ko talaga.
Hi, ma'am. Wow, ang ganda mo naman, ma'am. Ma'am, okay lang, ma'am, na kantahan kita, ma'am? Parang ikaw lang mag-isa dito, ma'am. Mapahangin ka lang. Okay lang, ma'am, kantahan, ma'am. Walang magalit. Kantahan kita, ma'am.
Okay.
Do it.
Kasi napansin kita, ma'am. Ang ganda mo kasi, ma'am, eh.
Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala. Tuwing lumalapit ka, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Okay lang, dito, doon ako, ma'am. Okay lang. Walang problema, ma'am. Para makita ko yung kagandahan mo, ma'am ba? Oh. At saka, ma'am, may ano pala kasi, ma'am, may regalo pala ako sa'yo. Kung okay lang to. Flowers for you, ma'am.
Ako'y natutuwa. Kahit isang matanda, pinupunin ng saya. Tuwing kasama ka.
Tapos, para enjoy, ma'am. Kantahan na lang kita, ma'am, no? Standing by my window, listening for your call. Seems I really miss you after all.
Uy, sana all!
Time won't let me in. This is to myself. I just like to let you know I wish I did let you go.
This motherfucker don't miss. No, he's fucking good. That motherfucker don't miss.
And I'd always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I'll do love you. And I'd always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I'll still, I will love you. Yun lang po yung salamat, ma'am.
Bibitaw ng hinahon ako pa. Baby, you're my destiny. My destiny. Oh no. Para sa